Shay,
Yes.
where do you want me to put this?
Put that over there in the personal items, this box.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Shay.
Yes.
Where do you want me to put this?
Let me see. Oh, right here. Hello, and welcome to English with Sound and Light. My name is Mr. Shay. It is May 18th, and the school year is almost over. This week, my students are busy studying for their final exams.
And helping you pack.
And helping me pack. Next week, they're going to take their final exams. But I was curious as to what their summer plans were. So I asked them to make little sentences using going to tell me about their summer plans. As you watch these examples, notice that the students use a subject, themselves, I, the helping verb am, going to, and the basic form of the verb.
I am going to work with my uncle.
I'm going to visit my family in Tennessee.
I'm going to get my driver license.
I'm going to help my father on his guava farm.
I'm going to attend summer school.
I'm going to paint houses.
I'm going to find a new boyfriend.
I'm going to make a video with my friends.
I am going to play the pool.
I am going to move to New York.
I'm going to watch a lot of baseball games.
I'm going to go sailing.
I am going to try to learn more English.
I'm going to deliver auto parts.
I'm going to slam dance at a rock concert.
I'm going to spend time with my family.
I'm going to get in shape.
I'm going to take care of my niece.
I'm going to be a lifeguard.
I'm going to watch novelas.
I'm going to relax.
I'm going to dance every night.
I'm going to sleep late every day.
I'm going to learn how to box.
I'm gonna visit Mickey Mouse at Disneyland.
I'm going to play soccer every day.
I'm going to fix my truck.
I'm going to work at McDonald's.
I am going to travel from Houston to Mexico.
I'm going to eat lots of pizza.
I'm gonna make a record with my band.
I am going to take a lot of pictures.
I am going to eat some Chinese food.
I am going to call my father in Honduras every weekend.
I am going to Mexico for vacation.
I am going to California to visit my stepbrother.
I am going to go hunting with my dad.
I'm going to see my little sister again.
I'm going to do some exercise.
I am going to pray some heart.
I am going to play soccer.
We are going to hang out together.
I'm going to meet my classmates.
We're going to visit you too.
In the examples that follow, you're going to see students doing a particular activity. A narrator will come on and ask you what that student is going to do next.
This is Blanca. What is she going to do?
It should be clear from the activity what's going to happen. Try to answer the question. The narrator will pause, and then the narrator will provide our answer.
That's right. She's gonna wash some clothes.
Review the video as many times as necessary until you have learned all the examples.
This is Lizzie. What is she going to do? That's right. She's going to cross the street. This is Brenda. What is she going to do? That's right. She's going to sneeze.
These are students.
Be sure to take your eyes in your own paper. Okay?
What are they going to do? That's right. They're going to take a test.
This is Veronica. What is she going to do? That's right, she's going to answer the door.
Hi. What is she going to do now? She's going to fall asleep.
This is Brenda. What is she going to do? That's right. She's going to vacuum her car. Does anyone have any questions?
This is Eder. What is Eder gonna do? That's right, he's gonna ask a question.
This is Cynthia. What is she going to do? That's right, she's going to play a record.
This is Damaris. What is she going to do? That's right. She's going to talk on the phone.
This is Edgar. What is he going to do? That's right, he's going to climb the ladder.
This is Damaris.
What is she going to do?
That's right. She's going to watch TV.
This is Lupita. What is she gonna do?
Oh.
That's right, she's gonna put some staples in the stapler.
This is Steven. What is he going to do? That's right, he's going to raise the flag.
This is Blanca. What is she going to do? That's right. She's gonna wash some clothes. What is Blanca going to do now? That's right. She's gonna buy some candy.
What's wrong? Look at this place. It's dirty. What are you going to do about it? Just watch.
What is Lizbeth going to do? That's right. She's going to sweep the floor.
This is Jorge. What is he going to do? That's right. He's going to pack the dictionaries.
This is Jacobo. What is he going to do? That's right, he's going to eat a banana.
This is Josue. What is he going to do?
Hey, Josue.
That's right. He's going to have an accident.
This is Lupita. What is Lupita gonna do now? That's right, she's gonna sharpen her pencil.
This is Cynthia, and this is a charger. What is she going to do? That's right, she's going to connect the charger to the computer.
This is Richie, and this is Jorge. What are they going to do? That's right. They're going to pick up the TV.
This is Richie.
Oh, hot.
What's he gonna do? That's right. He's gonna turn on the air conditioner.
This is Eder. What is he going to do?
Just a minute.
That's right. He's going to take a picture.
This is Angel. What is he going to do? That's right. He's going to check his oil.
This is Eder, Jesus, and Jacobo. What are they going to do?
You gotta take these, put them over there.
Okay.
That's right. They are going to move the boxes.
is Adrian? What is Adrian going to do? That's right, he's gonna ride the bike. What is Adrian going to do now? That's right, he's gonna brush his teeth.
This is Lupita again.
Oh.
What is she gonna do? That's right, she's gonna punch holes in her paper.
This is Melissa. What's she gonna do? That's right, she's gonna comb her hair.
This is Helen.
Hi, Helen.
What is she going to do? That's right, she's going to clean her desk.
This is Horse's foot. And this is Brenda. What is she gonna do? That's right, she's gonna trip.
What is she going to do now? That's right. She's going to pour herself a glass of milk.
This is Richie. What is he going to do? That's right. He's going to solve the problem. This is Josue. And this is a locked box. What is he going to do? That's right. He's going to unlock the box.
This is Lupita again. And this is Melissa.
Does anyone have the time?
What is she gonna do? That's right, she's gonna tell Melissa the time.
This is Dario, and this is Jesus. What is Dario going to do?
Hey Dario, can I have some of your spinach, please?
Nah.
Man, I'm real hungry. Please?
Okay.
That's right. He's going to share his spinach.
This is Rosie. What is she going to do? That's right. She's going to exercise. What is she going to do now? That's right. She's going to iron her pants.
This is Gustavo. What is he going to do? That's right, he's gonna close the gate.